Which class do you study?
Yeah, I study at class 5.
Very good. Okay, have a look on the picture, okay?
Okay.
In my picture, I'm watching a girl wearing pink dress and taking photo with the camera.
Taking photo of, but in my picture, there is a boy who is taking picture with his camera.
Very good, okay. In my picture, I'm watching a boy playing piano and he is standing.
In my picture, though, the boy is sitting down on a chair.
Okay, so one boy and one girl, they're playing something. The girl is playing a violin, whereas the boy is playing guitar.
In my picture, both of them are playing guitars.
Very good. There is a brand with a picture given on the drum. In my picture, the brand is a lizard.
In my picture, the brand is Star.
Okay, very good. Thank you. That is the end of your part one. Let us move to part two.
Okay.
In that part, we are watching two pictures: Sarah's tennis club and Ben's swimming club.
Yes.
Okay. So, let us start from Sarah's tennis club. Okay. What is the day of Sarah's tennis club?
The day is Monday.
Okay. When does the tennis club take place?
It takes place on 4:30 p.m.
At 4:30 p.m. Okay. Where is it located?
It's located in the park.
Okay. How long will the tennis club be available for Sarah?
The tennis club will be available for 2 hours.
Okay. What is the name of the teacher?
The name of the teacher is Mr. Drake.
Okay, very good. Now, could you please ask me some question?
Okay. What day does Ben's swimming club start?
Okay. Ben's swimming club starts on Friday.
Okay, what's the time?
The time is 15 minutes past 5 o'clock.
Okay. Where does it take place?
It's located in the sports center.
Okay. How long is it available?
It's available for an hour.
Who is the teacher?
Mrs. Crew is the teacher. Okay.
Okay.
So let us go for part three. In that part, there are 5 pictures, and you have to describe a story, or you have to make up story.
Okay. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Nick. He had a kitten. He saw a kitten outside of his door, so Nick took the kitten to his home. He fed it food, but one day it got lost. So Nick was very worried and posted some pictures on top on posted some pictures on the trees. Then there was a grandmother who lost this cat. She even had a picture. So as finding the cat, the grandmother thanked Nick with a present.
Very good. Thank you so much. That is the end of your
Okay.
part 1, 2, and 3. I'm really impressed that you did very well. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm happy to offer you a 10 out of 10. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye bye.